Hey there, welcome to Traffic Zipper. This is Mike. I'm excited to have you as a member, and I just want to give you a quick start, like a run through of the new Traffic Zipper interface. So, the first thing you want to do is go into My Account and set up your profile. Click on the profile page, go ahead and set that up. Then get familiar with your commission screen, which will give you reporting on your commissions and your referrals to the site. Also, check out the promotional tools. We have the conventional tools here, as well as customized squeeze pages you can find here. Now, please keep in mind that when you refer somebody to Traffic Zipper and they sign up and upgrade, you'll receive ongoing commissions for as long as they remain a member. So we do pay recurring monthly commissions on people you refer. Promo code if you need to cash in a promotional code you received from one of our partners. A resources area. This is where you can get us at the support desk. If you have any problems or need any help at all with the site, please let us know. Just go ahead and click support and we'll be happy to help. We love helping our members. You can upgrade your account if you are a free or pro member by going to the upgrade page here. If you're an elite member, this option will not be there because you cannot upgrade. You're already an elite member. If you need to cancel your account, we've also made that as simple as possible. Simply click on the cancel account link and you'll be brought through the cancellation process, which we have made very, very easy. We want you to stay a member. We don't want you to leave, but if you do decide to leave, we want to make it as easy as possible. Next, we have the list builders, My List Builders. On the first page here, you'll actually define what programs you want to join for your list builder. So you can have two, this is a free account for this demo, this portion of the demo. So if I try to click on another one, I'll get a warning that says I've reached the maximum and I'll need to upgrade if I want to do more. However, if I wanted to change, even as a free member, I can just uncheck one and select a different one. I could just uncheck one and select a different one. So you can have any two programs you want, even as a free member, but you can only manage two at the same time. If you're a pro member, you can manage 10 of these, and if you're an elite member, you can manage them all, and that includes as many as we add in the future. So even if we add 50 programs in the future, as an elite member, you'll be able to manage them all at one time. So once you've selected those, hit save. That's going to bring you to the Manage Details page, where you'll enter in your username and password and remote ID. Now, the username and password is used so that we can log into your site and do all of the automated features that makes Traffic Zipper such a powerful tool. The remote ID will actually use that so that we can build your downline and earn you referrals at other programs. Now, let me explain that. You may notice when you sign up, the person that referred you, these here are actually affiliate links from that person that referred you to Traffic Zipper. So when you fill out your remote ID here, it will automatically, in our database, go in and assign your remote ID to these links to anybody that you refer to Traffic Zipper. So that means if you were an elite member, for instance, and you had all of the programs filled out, you were signed up to all of them, and you had remote IDs in all of these fields, when you refer somebody to Traffic Zipper and they sign on, when they go to upgrade or to sign up at these other programs, they're going to be joining through your affiliate link. So as a pro member, you'll have 10. As a free member, you'll have 2. So it's another perk to upgrading. But regardless, it's going to be building your downline and earning you commissions at the other site. Because if somebody signs up through this link here and they upgrade, you're going to be earning a commission at that other site. And you're going to be doing it all by promoting just one link, your Traffic Zipper link. So it's like a huge downline builder. It's a great way to earn commissions at other sites and build your downlines at all of the other programs you're a member of. So very, very powerful, just something to keep in mind. We also have the action history log, which will give you, and this is a demo account, so there's no action history, but this will give you reporting on all of the results you've gotten from your send mail activity. Now, there's also the remote downline builder, which is a very cool tool. And the way this works is you're going to put in a search for a string here. You're going to hit search, and it's going to go out to all the other programs that have downline builders associated with them, and it's going to pull back just the results for that one search term that you look for. So, for instance, if I were to type in the list auction in the search bar, and then I clicked on search, it's going to go out and search all of the other programs that I have assigned in my list builders, and it's going to report back to me where the list auction is in those downline builders. It's going to let me update my ID right here on this page and hit save, and then it's going to go out and update them at the other sites. One of the problems that I ran into early on when I started getting a lot of list builder accounts, and a lot of them had downline builders, is it was taking a lot of time every time I would join a new program to go back into the old accounts one at a time, search to see if the new program that I had just joined was in any of those downline builders, then update it, then save it. It became actually unmanageable at one point, and I just stopped doing it, and that's why this tool was developed, to make that a task that can be done easily and quickly, because if you don't do it, there's a good chance you may be losing out on some downline members and also some income from that as well. So this tool makes it super, super simple. And then we get into the rotators. We have site rotators. Hopefully you know what a rotator is, but if not, you can add a number of different sites in each rotator. And then, so let's go, for instance, let's just click edit real quick. So we have one link in here now. If we wanted to remove that link, we could. If we wanted to view it, we could. But if we wanted to add another link, we would just click on add link, and then we can add a second URL here. We could add another one. We could do a third one here. So we could actually have like 5, 6, 7, 8 different sites rotating in this one rotator. So when we promote this one link, what's going to happen is TrafficZipper is actually just going to automatically show each of these sites in sequence, one after the other. So very, very powerful feature, very great, cool way to use advertising space. You can promote one link and be advertising multiple programs at once. The banner rotator is very similar. We're going to see some changes in this area probably before this video is released. They will actually have a HTML code snippet here that will allow you to put on your website that will rotate the banner and the link associated with that banner. So you can promote multiple banners for multiple different programs all in one ad space on your website. So very, very cool. Keep an eye out for that. Should be ready hopefully today. And then the heart of the system is actually the send mail feature. And so a couple of problems that you're going to run into when sending email is that, one, when you're using a bunch of different list builders, you have to log into each one individually. You have to see how much time you have left before you can mail. You have to see how many credits you have. You have to manually assign the credits for each mailing for bonus credits. You have to adjust the first name tag, be it in the subject line or even worse, if it's in the message body a few times. You have to adjust that for each program because they have different first name tags. So there's a host of different problems you run into when trying to use these very powerful systems, but when you're using a lot of them, it can be very time consuming and frustrating. So this page solves all of those problems. Okay, so I just went and switched to an account that had some list builders assigned to it. So what you're going to do is click on this button here, and it's going to go out and check the mailing status on all of the hosts or all of the list builders that we have in our account. And it's going to come back and it's going to report to us the mailing status, whether we can mail, whether we can't, how long until we can email, how many credits we have. And then it's going to allow us to update our credits manually. So we could actually put in how many bonus members we wanted to reach here. Click that box. So that means we're going to send to this site using to this many default members as well as this many bonus members. We're going to mail to this site. This one we can't do yet because we just broadcasted. This one we'll add some credits to that one depending on how many we want to send out. And the rest of these we can't mail for right now. So we know that we can mail to all these sites immediately, and we know that we can mail to these sites in the times that are provided here. So very, very cool features that you have. In just a few seconds, you get a visual of how your mailing status is at all of the sites you're a member of. Very, very cool. So once that's done, you would come down here. You would just put in your subject. You would put in the URL that you're going to be advertising and then type in your message body and hit send. That's all there is to it. What's going to happen is we are going to go out and we are going to log into each of these accounts for you. We're going to format that email using the correct first name tag. We'll basically replace this tag with the correct tag for that site. And we'll do that automatically. We'll put the URL that you're advertising in the correct location. We'll fill in the subject line, message body, and send that message for you, all on autopilot. So if these were all scheduled properly, these would all be available. And we would be mailing out to all of these, like, as you can see, in a matter of just a couple of minutes. So what used to take hours can now be done in minutes. And if you're an upgraded member at many of these sites, and you can mail like every 3 days, you're going to be saving yourself hours and hours and hours a week and lots of frustration. And you're going to be able to scale up your traffic a lot by using this system. So, and we're going to be adding more and more programs in the future. So that's about it. That's the heart of the system. You can also check when you send an email, you can check on this page to see the status of that. We haven't sent it out of this account, so you're not going to see anything here now. But that is available. And those are the core features. That's the 10-minute rundown of TrafficZipper, what kind of features are available and how you can use it to drive lots and lots of traffic to your website very, very easily. I hope you enjoy using the system. Please, if you have any suggestions, be sure to share those with us so that we can make this system the exact tool that you're looking for. I look forward to working with you, and have an awesome day.